In the last couple of weeks, TestProject released one of my blog posts, and I released 2 videos along with the transcript. The blog covered Selenium Switch Methods, which help us switch to frames, alerts, and windows. In the first video, I talk about TestProject's SDK, Software Development Kit, which is a Selenium Wrapper. It also comes with dependencies for Appium. The second video was called How Did Java Become Popular? Java is one of the most used and popular programming languages. It became popular because it is a platform-independent programming language, meaning Java does not depend on a platform such as Windows, Mac, or Linux. In this upcoming week, I plan to create and release videos on the OOPS concept, object-oriented programming for Java. All links for blog posts and each video will be available in the comments. And I'll see you next week.